we see the ring coming back, in 6 months' time.
Now, I mean, as you said, you're getting a lot more of these couples now. Have you ever had any couples come in where, it's a bit of a bridezilla situation where you think this couple shouldn't be getting married?
Yes, yeah, we certainly do. Yeah, there's been several occasions where we would have a consultation and quite quietly say to the team saying, "Oh, I don't know about this," and yeah, and it does more often than not. We see the ring coming back, in 6 months' time. So yeah, look, it's yes, we
Mm,
definitely have those occasions where we do get that kind of inkling that something might not be quite right. But yeah, I mean,
yeah.
but then another good part of our job is seeing relationships move from the engagement ring level, all the way through to wedding, and then all the way through to their child. And we actually, now that we've been around doing this for a couple of decades, that we get to see the family grow and